Good morning. I am EMV21746 student ID. Is going to discuss the three uh, papers or the reports on behalf of the BHP, Santos, and the Fantastic. And I have evaluated a cash flow statement of three companies, and comparative report has been designed to facilitate the users. And then after, I have aligned the source and use of cash, because the BHP one have a source and a users, and on the basis of a source, the cash received from the business function and operational, and the uses are the purchase of non current assets to maximize share holders wealth. And on the Santos one, we have the cash received from the customers, and then after on the uses we have the investment in mega projects by making quick payment to its suppliers and the vendors. And on the third one, I have a Fantastic. The main source of borrowing are from the creditors, and on income from cash from that, and the uses are the purchase of the stock suppliers. And that I have related uh, that the companies are uh, really changing with each other, and they have the dividend and the cash flows are also very different from each other, like from the utilization of working capitals. The BSP didn't realize the working capital for the investors, as it had sufficient cash to deal with the major challenges that come forward in the critical discussion. And the requirement is to maintain the consistency in generating cash if the company intends to continue its strategy. However, the option is the option of borrowing and equity financing are also available if there is someone or something wrong with the management of working capitals. um, then after the Santos is like the company believes in investing the amounts in different projects for which the amount is borrowed by the managed for the operation. And on the Fantastic Limited, like the situation clarified, the organization may face the critical issues in generating the cash from different resources to make payment. And on the working capital trend, um, we have a lot like the working capital increase trends over there, which is also I need to discuss, like the effective surroundings, or like the effective um, consumer mandatory in the competitive business environment. Like the financial strength, for the financial strength, like the BSP seems to be financially more stronger according to the information collected from the last 3 years. And the organization is consistent with objective to remain financially strong by the controlling its cash management. Means the BSP is holding its cash management is really strong. And the Santos one is financially strong, that is opportunity to get high returns in the futures. The organization is also involved in investing mega project, that is focus on long-term goals and objectives. And the Fantastic is said to be a very financially weak company that doesn't have any potential to deal with critical challenges, um, uh, comparing to the Santos or BSP. And but the organization is also focusing on increasing its earning by strategies, by seeking the opportunity for borrowing. However, the strategy is not effective for long-term stability of the business of the Fantastic Limited. And for the lending purposes, uh, between these three companies, uh, while relating, or like when I observed this report, or when I was making this report, out of the three main company, uh, I will select the BSP Limited for lending purposes, as it is consistent with its mission and objective to improve its cash position. Means it have a very stronger cash management in the behalf of making its company profitable, and the cash is like position, means the company is in a really good state, and the organization has also potential to pay interest and principal by using its routine activities. Because if we have a cash in our like a savings or something like that, then it is very useful for someone on the behalf if we need to pay any interest in the future or any activities that is going on also. And on the conclusion, I can say like the cash flow and income in cash flow investment should be in user, should be invested by the user to know the overall position of the company. And the BHP is better as compared to the two companies for investors, um, because of their financially strongest position, and they're like the controlling its cash management. So that's all. Thank you.